Imagine posting a video. It gets views for a few hours. And then suddenly, nothing. If you're trying to make extra income on YouTube, this moment can feel scary. But the truth is, when views stop, it's usually because of a few simple problems that can be fixed. Let's break it down. When views suddenly slow down or stop, it usually means the YouTube algorithm stopped recommending the video. YouTube tests every new video by showing it to a small group of people first. If those viewers click the video and keep watching, the platform pushes it to more people. But if people don't click, or they leave quickly, the system assumes the video isn't interesting enough, and the views slow down. So when views stop, it doesn't mean your channel is finished. It just means the video didn't pass the testing stage. The most common reason views stop is simple: people aren't clicking. Your thumbnail and title are the first thing viewers see. If they look boring, confusing, or similar to other videos, people will scroll past. A simple fix is to focus on curiosity. Instead of a title like, "Ways to Make Money Online," try something clearer like, 5 Side Hustles That Pay Beginners in 2026. Make the viewer feel like they're about to learn something useful. The first 10 seconds of your video matter a lot. If the intro is too slow, viewers leave quickly. When that happens, YouTube notices the drop in watch time. And once watch time drops, recommendations stop. A simple fix is to start with a clear hook. Tell viewers exactly what they will learn and why it matters. Example: most people think they need money to start a side hustle. But these 3 ideas can be started with $0. Now the viewer has a reason to stay. Another reason views stop is when the video promises one thing but delivers something else. For example, if the title promises easy side hustles, but the video talks about complicated business ideas, viewers will leave. When people leave early, the algorithm stops promoting the video. The fix is simple: make sure your video delivers exactly what the title promised. Clear content keeps viewers watching longer. Channels that upload randomly often struggle with steady views. The algorithm prefers channels that upload regularly because it helps build a predictable audience. That doesn't mean uploading every day. Even one video a week can work, as long as the schedule is consistent. Consistency helps YouTube understand your channel. Here's the encouraging part: almost every successful channel experienced videos that stopped getting views. It's a normal part of the growth process. Each video teaches you something: which titles work, which thumbnails attract clicks, and which topics people care about. The creators who succeed are simply the ones who keep improving with each upload. So if your views suddenly stop, don't panic. Check your title, improve your thumbnail, start your videos stronger, and keep posting consistently. Small improvements can make a huge difference over time. If you want more simple strategies to grow your channel and build extra income online, consider subscribing for more videos like this.